Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is EMMANUELL Dickson, and on this channel I teach forex trading in a simple and practical way, especially for beginners. Today we are starting with the most important question: what exactly is forex trading? So many people hear the word forex and immediately think it is gambling or quick money. But the truth is that forex is simply the buying and selling of currencies. By the end of this video, you will understand what forex is and how it works, who trades forex, and what you need to get started. So stay with me till the end. So what is forex? Forex means foreign exchange. It is a global market where one currency is exchanged for another. For example, when someone exchanges Nigerian naira for US dollars, that is a foreign exchange transaction. So in forex trading, we try to make a profit from changes in currency prices. Imagine that today one US dollar is equal to 1,500 naira, and later the dollar rises to 1,550 naira. If you bought dollars before the increase, you could make a profit when the price rises. That is the basic idea behind forex trading. The forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded every day. So what is a currency pair? So currencies are traded in pairs. You will see examples such as Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. So let us take Euro USD for example. The first currency, euro, is called the base currency. So the second currency, USD, is called the quote currency. So if euro USD is 1.1000, it means 1 euro equals to 1.10 US dollars. So when traders believe the euro will become stronger than the dollar, they buy euro USD. When they believe the euro will become weaker, they sell euro USD. So that is how traders speculate on currency movements. So who trades forex? Forex is not only for professional traders. Participants include banks, government, international companies, investment firms, and retail traders like you and me. A company that imports goods from another country may exchange currency for business purposes, while a retail trader trades to try to profit from price movement. How do traders make money? Let me give a simple example. Suppose you buy Euro USD at 1.1000. Later the price moves to 1.1050. So that movement of 50 pips can become profit depending on your trade size. So if the price moves against you, you lose money. So forex is not guaranteed income. It involves both profit and loss. This is why learning risk management is more important than chasing profit. So what do you need to start forex? As a beginner, you only need a few things. Number one, a smartphone or a computer. Number two, internet access. Number three, a forex trading app from a regulated broker. Number four, a demo account for practice. Number five, a willingness to learn patiently. I strongly recommend starting with a demo account. It allows you to practice without risking real money. So do not rush to deposit money after watching one video. The biggest beginner mistake. The biggest mistake is believing forex is a shortcut to wealth. Social media often shows luxury cars, cash, and screenshots of profits. What many people do not show are the losses, the discipline, the study time, and the emotional pressure. So successful trading is usually slow, disciplined, and consistent. Think of forex as a skill, not a miracle. On this channel, I will be sharing forex tutorials for beginners, chart analysis, trading strategies, risk management lessons, trading psychology, my personal trading journey, and lessons learned. My goal is to help you understand Forex step by step in a realistic way. So let us quickly recap. Forex is the buying and selling of currencies. Currencies are traded in pairs. Traders make money when prices move in their favor. So you can start learning with a demo account, and discipline is more important than excitement. If you learned something from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so do not miss the next lesson. In the next video, I will explain 5 things I wish I knew before I started Forex trading. So thank you for watching. My name is Emmanuel Dickson, and I will see you in the next video.